We appreciate everybody that joined our contest to see how many rolls we had left for our last load of sod. And guess what? It was 140. So whoever got closest, congratulations. Woo!
Good morning, Dane Gallagher, principal here at TBA, and looking at our newly sodded field. We're really very excited about it. They've been good. They've been in here, you know, taking care of business, and they've got everything leveled out and finished up for us, and we appreciate what they've done here. This has been a work in process for a few years here, and I've been an advocate for getting this put up here for the kids, and I'm really happy about the transformation, and when the kids do finally get back to school, really showing it off and having a place for the kids to come out and enjoy.